Good morning. Welcome back to the second session of the day 2. So now Mr. Srinivasan from University Teacher Academy with us. He is going to present the content on creation of interactive e-content. And he is the senior most person in the University Teachers Academy. He is having a lot of experience on how to create the interactive e-content. He is a specialist in creating the animation related e-content. So he has the very good exposure on this area. And I welcome Mr. Srinivasan, University Teacher Academy, Tirupattur, to present the session 2. Mr. Srinivasan, please.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Very good morning to all. First of all, I want to thank Women's Polytechnic College, Puducherry and its coordinator, and also Simon Peter Paul for providing this wonderful opportunity to handle this session. So, yesterday we learned how to log into the H5P, and we have seen yesterday explored two tools. One is drag the words, and the second tool is memory game. Today we are going to explore some 2 to 3 tools in H5P platform. So before going to the H5P directly, let me recall the steps how to get into that H5P. So first, we are going to Google and we are going to type here H5P.org, because there is h5p.com, so better go with h5p.org and just pressing an enter. We will get here h5p.org, h5p create and share rich HTML file. So click on it. So it leads us to H5P homepage. So this is our homepage. The usual process to get into H5P is go to login, click the login. We will get this our content created page. Here we can see here quick links, and down we can see the contents which we have created previously. So before going to the content, today we are going to explore flashcards, how to introduce some contents to the students with colorful flashcards. So let me give an example for flashcard. You can see here, I have taken the topic Fleming's rule flashcard, mentioning the terms in Fleming's hand rule. So I'm scrolling a little down. You can see this Fleming's left hand rule. I've given the picture here, and now I've mentioned the question that mention the term denotes for forefinger in Fleming's left hand rule. So just the student here is going to enter his answer, like forefinger, it denotes magnetic field. So I am typing here magnetic field and just pressing it, enter, check, it's correct. Now it is leading to the second flashcard. Mention the term denotes for thumb in the Fleming's left hand rule, thumb. So thumb denotes force. I mentioned there force, F-O-R-C-E. So I'm giving check. Yes, it's correct. Now automatically it leads to the third flashcard. In the third flashcard, I have mentioned the middle finger, what it mentions or denotes. So I am here mentioning. Right. Yes, I can click the show results. I'm scrolling little up. You can see the results. All the results is correct. So likewise, today we are going to explore how to create this type of flashcard content using this flashcard. So we are going to click this my account, and after clicking my account, click on with try out with H5P. To go with every fresh new creation of the content, we have to follow the steps like my account and try out with H5P. It will lead us to this page, which is called create content. And this one is upload. We are not going to do with this thing. Here it is create content. In this create, search for content. This search for content, I'm typing here flashcard. I'm double clicking the flashcard. Yes, we came to this flashcard content. In this content, we are going to develop the flashcard. This is the page. Here you can see flashcard, and down the title. In the title, it is asterisk mark is given, so it is mandatory to give the title. So I'm clicking the title, and I want to deal with gates like ungate, or gate, and not gate. So I'm typing, sir. Hello, sir. Okay. Sorry for the. So I'm going to click here title. I'm going to do gate, 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 and hyphen, as this content is created using flashcard. So I'm typing flashcard, because as this gate or content is created using this flashcard, it is for our remembrance, so that we can take the content easily, which are all the contents created using flashcards. So I'm giving in suffix the flashcard. So I'm scrolling little down here. Identify task description. What is the task description I'm giving here is identify the name of the gate. So in the task description, I gave the identify the name of the gate, and I'm scrolling down. Here we can see card 1. It shows arrow. So we are now in the card 1. This is add card. We can add any number of cards in this flashcard. So here it is question. So we are going to type the question. As in the Fleming's rule, we have seen that mention the forefinger, which I mentioned the forefinger, which denotes in Fleming's left-hand rule. Likewise, we have seen the question in Fleming's left-hand rule. So here I'm typing mention the name of the gate in the picture and its output. So this is the question I'm going to give here. So by this question, the student is going to answer here. Mention the name of the gate in the picture and its output. So first, I want to give the flashcard with ungate. So I'm typing here answer as AND, ungate, and I'm using here comma. The output is AB. I'm going to keep the first flashcard the picture of ungate. So I've typed here in the answer and comma AB. I'm scrolling little down. We can see here the add image. In the previous Fleming's rule, we have seen the picture, left hand picture we have added in that flashcard. Likewise, we are going to add here the same ungate picture. So I am going to add here. If we want a new picture, here at the top of the window, we can open a new tab and we can type here ungate without label and just pressing an enter. It will be in the all position and images. In the first session, sir told how to download the images. Likewise, we can search the images in the Google, the related ungate image. Here we can get a number of ungate symbol, ungate pictures. So I'm going back to H5P create content. So I'm adding here add button. I'm going to open this. Already in the desktop, I have saved this. In the desktop, I have saved this images as gate. In the gate folder, I have saved the image of 3 gates. So I am going to upload by double clicking this. I am uploading here the image of ungate. So here in the first card, we can see here in the first card, it is a I have given the task description mentioning the card. Here in the question, I have mention the name of the gate in the picture and its output. And I have scrolled little. In an answer, I have given and the output is AB. And scrolling down, I have given here, I have added image for it so that the students can see the image what the gate image has given, and they will type the answer in it. Here we are going to use the tip here because the students, you don't know how to fill the answer. In that easily we have given the magnetic field, current, force. It is just a word or text, it should be typed, so it will be typed easily. But here I have given 2 options here. One is the picture, I mentioned the name of the gate and its output. So I am going to give you a tip that how to type the answer. So I am giving NAND comma A sorry. An example here I have given here in the tip so that student may not feel confused how to type his answer. By clicking this tip, you can see how to type the answer exactly, whether I can type first the output or the first the name of the picture, so you may get confused. So we are giving the tip for the student that let us see and explore in the view page how this tip appears, where it appears. Let me show you. So, sir, NAND தானே சார்? ஆமா சார், ஆமா சார். இல்ல சார், இது நான் ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிளுக்காக கொடுத்துருக்கேன் சார். NAND கேட் அதனுடைய சிம்பிள் அவுட்புட் A plus B the whole dash கொடுத்துருக்கேன். It is example sir. A plus NAND gate உடைய அவுட்புட் வந்து A plus B the whole dash. இல்ல அது வந்து he has to type exactly the correct answer. I have given the answer now. I will repeat once again. Here I'm going to repeat once again. Mention the name of the gate in the picture and its output, and the answer here is AND gate and the output is AB. So we can see here the answer I have given here for this flashcard. I have given AND gate and the output is AB, and the related to that picture I have added here AND gate. And the down we had a confusion that in the tip I gave NAND gate, because in this tip we can't give as such the answer like AND and A plus B, AND and AB we can't give, because if we give the answer directly he will see the answer in the tip and he will write it. So instead I have gave NAND gate and its output, so that if you see this tip he will come to know how the answer will be typed in this in the flashcard. So I have given this thing, and let me save this content. I will scroll down and I will save this content and I will show how it appears. I'm giving save. Here we got this page. You can see this. Identify the name of the gate, and flashcard is one card. Mention the name of the gate in the picture and its output. I told previously that I don't know how to type this, because whether I have to mention the output first or picture, because student may do some mistake. So here in the your answer, near this an I symbol appears here like box information. So I am clicking this. Here I'm getting here NAND, comma A plus B the whole dash. So here the gate name is NAND and the output is A plus B the whole dash. So first I'm going to mention here A N D, comma, and its output is A B. So once again I'm going to check with this tip given. Mention the name of the gate in the picture and its output. So the gate name is and the output, comma, I have given and AB. So in this way I give, and I'm going to check this answer. Check. Yes, it is correct. I'm going to check once again this. I'm going to check this one by reloading it, by typing some wrong credentials. So here once again to reload this, in the top in the near the address bar there is a reload symbol. Just click that symbol, scroll it down. Sir, sir. Sorry. Right opposite of the right opposite of okay. So here I'm just typing the wrong way, AB, comma, and gate. I'm going to check here. You can see the answer given is wrong. The answer typed is wrong because I have typed AB and AND. So this is in this way we are going to use this tip. So I'm going to once again to the edit page. As requested by the participants, I thought of taking this topic as in the gates to be showing the simpler form. Let me show you one more example which has been created by me in the simpler form in the general topic. Once again, I'm going to click this my account, and I'm going with try out with H5P. I am going to do the new task like title I'm giving here. Let me take the general topic so that you can incorporate the like this technical terms. I'm giving like opposites hyphen, and I'm giving typing flashcards as remembrance that we are doing this opposites using flashcard, and the task description is identify the opposites. The task description I gave identify the opposites. So now we are on the first card. This is the first card. In the first card, write the opposite for big. Write the opposite for big. So this is the question. So for this big, it is I am typing here in the answer column. It is small. I'm scrolling down. In the first card, we are in the first card. We have typed write the opposite for big, and in the answer it is small. And I'm scrolling down, and I want to add here image. So for this, let me add an image, like giving them a clue like thing. Add image. This add image I don't have, so I'm opening a new window, and I want big, small, and big image like related to that image. Opposite big and small. Without label. If we type without label, we will get without the like big and small in that image. Without image, without labels, we can get it there. So I've entered here. Sorry. Without label. Sir? Sir? Okay. Sir. Right image. So here I have given rat image. For example, for big it is small. So I'm giving them the clue like thing in the image. So I'm typing save image as I'm saving this in this small as a rat image in the desktop. So I would save the image, and once again I'm coming to this opposite word. So small. So for the small, I'm giving here add image, and I'm entering this desktop. Sorry. I'm coming to this H5P image, once again H5P, and I'm going to add this image. This clicking this desktop. Already I've saved this rat. I'm clicking this rat image here. I got the image rat. So I'm scrolling down and I'm giving a save. So we came to this view page. Here we can view the right, the opposite for big is small. So this we can give it as a clue that rat is small. So big, I'm just typing here small. I'm going to check my answer. Check it is correct. So I thought of giving that gate, likewise, whether it in that gate for the polytechnic, it will be suited related topic. It will be, so I've chosen the topic to make it clear. Once again, I'm going to add one more card. I'm going to once again to this edit image. So here in this add card, we can add any number of cards like this. I'm adding one more card. And write the opposite for short. Write the opposite for short. Here I am answering here. Opposite for short is tall. I'm typing in the answer tall, and I'm scrolling down. I want the image related to give them the clue that like tall image. Once again, I'm going to the search image in the new window. I'm going to search an image which is related to the tall. We know that usually we give the image or tall is giraffe. So I'm typing giraffe image. I'm just clicking it. Just right clicking this image and save image as, and I'm naming it as giraffe and saving in the desktop. So I have saved in the desktop, and I'm coming back to this edit interactive page, and I'm adding here the image, add image, clicking on the button. I'm typing here desktop, scrolling down for giraffe. Yes, I've uploaded here the giraffe image. If you there is no, I don't want this giraffe image. You can see here the remove button. I can press this remove button. By pressing this file will go away. This giraffe will go away. We can add any other image related to it. And I'm once again going down and I'm giving here save. Let us see. We got this. Sorry. Okay. Okay. So first I've given opposite for big is small. I've typed small and check. That's correct. Second, write the opposite for short. We have given for short is tall. So I am typing tall. I'm going to check. I have a doubt. I'm typing here tall. So if a child types in a small letter like TALL, tall, let us see whether it functions or not. So once again, I'm going to this edit option. Only one thing I want to mention here. Here you can see this is we came to edit option and we are now in the edit chord. We have already edited 2 chords and I'm going little down, scrolling down. At the end, we can see here require user input before the solution can be reviewed. Before that, there is case sensitive. Now it is disabled. Now I'm going to enable it and show you what is the difference between enabling it and disabling it. So I've enabled this one and I'm scrolling down. Any times if we do any edit in this option, we have to go down and we have to save this content. Then only the changes, the things we have edited, it will be saved, or else it won't be saved. So I'm giving once again this save here, and once again it will lead us to the view option. I went to the view option. I'm giving here rat as big. I'm giving now small. You can see all in the lowercase letter small. Now I'm giving here check. What happened? Once again, here in this also I'm giving write the opposite for short, it's tall. I'm typing tall. This is also wrong. Actually, the answer is correct. Instead, what is the main factor is that in the edit column, in the edit option, I'm clicking once again the edit option. I am back to this edit option. By giving this case sensitive, enabling this case sensitive, it makes us to be done, because I gave all the answers in caps, that is uppercase. So when I typed the answer in the lowercase, it shows me wrong. It gives me wrong answer, incorrect answer. Now I'm going to disable this case sensitive. So we should not forget to save this one. I'm going this one and I'm saving this. I've disabled this one and I'm saving here. Now I came in this one to this view option, write the opposite for big. I'm typing here small in this lowercase letters. We can see now. Check. Now it is correct. In the previously we gave same lowercase letter, it shows wrong, but now in this case we are typing here once again tall. We are going to check this one. It's correct. I'm going to check, show the results. I'm scrolling little down. So this is the option behind this case sensitive, disabling and enabling the case sensitive. It makes us the student so that he may write it in a first letter, he may start with small, or he may start with the uppercase or lowercase, never mind. We need the answer. So we can disable this case sensitive and saving our project. The answer, whatever we expect from the student, he will type it and the answer will get is right. Once again, I'm going to this my account. So we got an idea what is flashcard. We can show the picture, related to the picture. We can ask a child to write the exact word. As I previously showed, now we can come to that idea of gates. Already I have prepared a gate flashcard. I'm going to once again show this one. Now it will be I will interrelate both the things. Now we can get a clear idea of what is gate and what the student here going to mention it. This already I have prepared this one. I'm going to show you. This is ungate, A-N-D, sorry. I'm seeing here the tip. So I've seen the tip and I'm typing here A-N-D, comma, the output is AB, and I'm going to check this one. It is correct. And I'm going to now to the second one. This is, I'm typing here O or gate, comma, and its output is A plus B. Now I'm checking this one, wrong. Once again, here, not gate, N-O-T, comma, the output is A. I'm checking here. This also wrong. So I'm going to, likewise, we are going to check the results. I have correct. We can get the summary here. One is correct and two things are wrong. So likewise, we can show the pictures of the gates, and we can likewise. I have planned my flashcards because all the technical aspects are related to your content. I thought of planning it. So sorry for the inconvenience did in this thing. So likewise, we can prepare using the Fleming's left hand rule and Fleming's right hand rule. Likewise, we can prepare many flashcards, and what the answer we can incorporate it. We can incorporate it in it, and we can do it. Now I'm going to my account. We are going to explore one more tool today is fill in the blanks. So to go with the fill in the blanks, I'm going to type try out with H5P. I've typed here try out with H5P. In this search content, I'm doing fill in the blanks. I've got here fill in the blanks. I'm clicking on the fill in the blanks. It is in all the tools, it is mandatory to give the title. So I'm typing here the title as autumns. Let me type like autumns hyphen, or else okay, autumns hyphen fill in the blanks. I'm scrolling down. Here it is fill in the missing words task description. Exactly the task description is that one, because the student is going to fill the missing word. Let the task description be as such. I'm scrolling little down, and here we are going to type the content. They are given the example how to type it. Blanks are added with an asterisk before and after, like the drag the words. Yesterday we have seen the drag the words before and after. We can add the asterisk symbol. Likewise, we can add asterisk here. Now, I'm going to type the first fill of the blanks. All the matter made up of tiny particles is called atoms. So I given all the matter made up of tiny particles is called atoms. So I want this atom to be filled by the student. So for this answer, we can see here blanks are added with asterisk symbol, like drag the words. So before atom and after atom, I am giving this asterisk symbol. I given this asterisk symbol, and I am just scrolling down. Let us check it how our answer appears. I'm going to save this one. So I got atoms, fill in the blanks, fill in the missing word. All the matter made up of tiny particles is called dash. I'm typing here ATOMS, atoms. I'm going to check this one is correct. Here in this fill in the blanks also, we have to be perfect, because where are the children, where the student, where he types the letters like words or anything, we have to be particular with the case sensitive. Here also we have to make a note of it, case sensitive, whether it is disabled or enabled. So once again, we are going to this edit option. Here we came to this edit option. Have a doubt that whether in this fill in the blanks I can add whether 2 or 3 questions in it. Yes, add text block. We can see here add text block. I'm clicking this add text block. I'm scrolling little down. I can see one more block has appeared. So I can type one more fill in the blanks in it. Like I'm going to type here atoms are indivisible particles. It can be comma. It can be created or destroyed. So atoms are indivisible particles. It can be created, not destroyed. This is my second question. In this, indivisible should be atoms are indivisible particles. This is my answer. So I'm going to enter asterisk before and after. Without giving asterisk, if we go and view the page, we will get the same statement as such. So if we type this indivisible before and after before and after indivisible, the asterisk symbol, we will get it as blank. Once again, I'm scrolling little down. I want to show here some behavioral settings. In this behavioral settings, we can see here the case sensitive, it has been enabled. So let this be as such. I'm going once again to the save button. I've saved this project. Let me see the 2 questions. All the matter is made up of tiny particles. It's called atoms. And atoms are indivisible. I am giving the lowercase indivisible. Atoms are indivisible particles. It can be created, not destroyed. It is the, according to the statement, according to the answer, it is correct. Let us check this one. We can see here all the matter made up of tiny particles. It is correct. And the second option is wrong. So what is the wrong? A student can view the solution. When he click the solution, he will get next to that indivisible, the correct answer as indivisible. Both are correct, but due to the case sensitive enabled in that behavioral settings, so the answer it shows here wrong. So one more time I want to mention this one. We have to go to the edit column and we have to remove the case sensitive. We have to remove this case sensitive. So where is case sensitive? At last, in the behavioral settings, they in that flashcard, it was visible in that page, open page itself. In fill in the blanks, in behavioral settings, I'm scrolling little down. We can see this case sensitive. I have disabled this case sensitive. So now I'm going to save this project. So here, likewise, we can add any number of n number of fill in the blanks into it. Already we have added 1, 2, and 3. We can add any number of fill in the blanks. Here we can see the range, adding range, because for example, if we give some 10 questions or 20 questions, if the child answers 30%, like we can give you a grade or we can give him like fair, well, excellent, wonderful. Likewise, we can add here ranges. Add range, it is according to our wish. We can add range it like by typing here 25. So automatically it will get 0 to 25, 26 to 100. If we click this distribute evenly, it will ask as a question. Values will be changed for all the values. Do you wish to proceed? Yes, confirm. I'm giving confirmed. It will automatically, it will distribute evenly because of 2 questions. It will distribute it automatically. We can add according to our wish this ranges, and we can give here the fill in the blanks like feedback like excellent. Let me add is excellent, sorry, fair, here it is like good, excellent. I'm going little top. I'm adding one more question in it so that we can get the feedback whether you are getting it or not. We can check in it. In a chemical reaction, atoms only get rearranged. This is the statement. Sorry. In a chemical reaction, atoms only get rearranged. I want this rearranged as the fill in the answer should be typed by the student. So before and after, I'm giving here the asterisk symbol. So I gave here. So in this, we made two main changes. We have removed the case sensitive, and here we can give the feedbacks. Instead of feedbacks, we can also grade them like C grade, B grade, C grade. Instead fair, we can give them the grades also here. Accordingly, answers, you will get the grade. At last, we are scrolling down and we are saving this project. So we can see here 3 blanks. So I'm typing here atoms. Second one, that dash is atoms are indivisible. The third one is rearranged. A chemical reaction, atoms only get rearranged. I'm going to check this. So 3 are correct. We can see here the excellent. As all the 3 questions we wrote correctly, so we got the feedback as excellent. Instead of excellent, if we give there an A grade, we will get there the grade as A. So likewise, we can add many number of fill in the blanks in it. If you want to write one more, another student, if he wants to answer it, just scroll it up, see the address bar. Near to that address bar, there is a reload page. If we click that reload page, once again, we can see the empty boxes. The students, you can fill it. Next, so flashcards and fill in the blanks, both are little bit interrelated. There in the flashcard, we have given an image or any images or any clue like thing. We can give them the flashcard. In the flashcard, we can pose a question and we can give them the answer with a tip. You can answer it there directly, and we can last last. Okay. So next we are scoring. So in the fill in the blanks, we can add many number of fill in the blanks. In this, the important thing is the asterisk symbol, case sensitives, and these things. One more, whether we have a doubt that if in this as this we are all dealing with the technical topics, minor mistakes, it can be neglected. How to neglect this minor mistakes? We can go to this edit option. I'm scrolling down. Here in this behavioral settings, we can click this behavioral settings. Here we can see here in the behavioral settings, there are many options. If we want, we can try enable retry. It has been enabled. Show the solution. We have seen that there is a solution. It has been shown there. If we disable the solution, we won't get that solution button. Here we have enabled this solution, and down case sensitive, we have disabled this. Required all the fields to be answered is enabled. It is when we scroll down, little down, here at the last, accept minor spelling errors. If activated, an answer will also count as correct with minor spelling errors like 3 to 9 characters, 1 spelling error, more than 9 characters, 2 spelling errors. Let us check this one. I am enabling this accept minor spelling errors. So we are going to save this because we have done some editing in this page. We are going to save this one. And I'm here, I'm scrolling here. I'm showing like atoms are there. E T M O S. I've typed. And here it is indivisible. Here it is. Rearrange. Likewise, I gave. I'm going to check this one.
అదే వాళ్ళు మూతతో ఉంటుంది చేస్తున్నారు కదా అని చెప్పేసి చేసేసారు.
Okay. Okay. So we can see here the mistakes we have done here, and I'm going to reload this one. I'm going to change like uppercase and lowercase. I'm going to mix it, and I'm going to type now A S Autumns. Arranged. Now I'm going to check this one. Also, it also gives correct because in fact we have changed the uppercase and lowercase. The student, he can type accordingly. We need exact the word as autumns, indivisible and arranged. So likewise, we can if we disable the case sensitive, and we can by disabling the case sensitive and enabling that minor errors, we can overcome these minor errors made by the students. Now let me show you how to share this video content to use the interactive content using the mail. We came to this my account. This is our content, autumns, fill in the blanks. If you keep the cursor on it, just right click on this content. We can see here, copy the link address. Once again, I'm repeating, just keep a tab on it, right click it. We can get the copy link address. We have to keep the cursor on the created content. We have to keep it. If you keep the cursor, it will appear blocked pink color. Right click it and copy the link address, and we can open our mail, compose mail. I'm typing to this Simon Peter Paul and Control V. The node has been copied here. You can see we can give Control V or right click and we can paste it. So we can paste like a right click and giving paste, and we can share with the email, or we can copy this same content and we can copy this upload in a blogger also. We can copy this and we can upload it in our Google Drive also. So once again, I'm coming to this H5P content. So this is the way we can copy it. Just keep a cursor on the content created, right click it, copy the link address and go to the inbox mail, compose mail. We can paste the link column, that node, by giving Control V and Twitter poll, and we can send it. Sir, any doubts? Please post. Any doubts in the topic? Please be free to put it in your chat box so that we can make it clear. Any doubts, Simon sir?
எத்தனை வாட்ஸ்அப் ஷேர் பண்றது சொல்லுவோம். அதே கொஸ்டின் போட்டுக்கிறாங்க. How to share in WhatsApp?
Simon sir, any doubts in the chat box, sir?
சார் இது வந்து ஒர்க் பண்ண வைக்கலாம் அவ்வளவுதான். எவிடன்ஸ் ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் அனுப்ப சொல்லலாம். இப்போதைக்கு அது அப்ளிகேஷன் லைக் அவுட் ஆகுது. சொன்னீங்களா? சரி.
Dear participants, you can post your queries through email and WhatsApp. Our expert team will answer for it. Thank you, Mr. Srinivasan, for your brief lecture on interactive e-content and especially in how to create the flashcards using H5P. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
And announcement to the participants. So far we have received the reply for the first assignment. More than 70% people are given. Almost 170 participants have given the reply for the first assignment. So the second assignment, kindly note down. Create a poster for workshop or seminar for your college. Create a certificate for the workshop. Create any content using the tools flashcard and create a content using the fill in the blanks. The same will be given in the Google form by afternoon. And some of the people is not at all submitted the tomorrow's activity sheets. Kindly fill up and submit it by the 1 o'clock. If you have any queries on this, you can post on WhatsApp and through email. So thank you for your active participations. See you on tomorrow.